A lot of the parts of Boomerang are going to feel familiar for you. You're going to see a repeat of some of the shapes you've already made, and you're going to use all the skills that you've already learned in the previous moves, all combined together into one movement, Boomerang. For whatever reason, if you don't feel ready for Boomerang, there's a few alternatives you could do. You could practice the move shown here, which is flat back rowing from the Reformer series. It's great because it mimics a lot of the shapes that you do see in Boomerang. Or if you want to hold true to the rolling aspect of Boomerang, rolling like a ball or open leg rocker are great variations. Now for a few final tips. Think of lifting the legs first before you begin to roll back. The reverse cross of the leg has a lot of energy in the outer hip and the inner thigh. Don't cheat yourself by hooking your feet together. Really find that zip through the inner leg. The use of the arms sweeping behind you and beginning to lift is more about strength. You're still continuing to deepen the connection of the arms onto the back body.